Here are some Mandela effects that will make you question reality. The Mandela effect is a phenomenon where a large group of people all share the same false memory. It's named after Nelson Mandela because for years people remembered him dying in prison in 1984, when in reality he was released in 1990 and died in 2013. But here are some other examples that are lesser known. For example, most people remember the Monopoly man wearing a top hat and a cane, but the image we have of him now is completely different. The official explanation is that the images were recreated in 1936 and again in 1970. But there are other theories. What about the fact that almost everyone remembers the Polish death metal band Vader playing at the Woodstock Festival? They weren't the only ones. People also remember a song called Bohemian Rhapsody being played at the festival. The song wasn't released until 1975, and it wasn't played at Woodstock. But what about the time traveler who predicted the sinking of the Titanic 14 years before it happened? Morgan Robertson wrote The Wreck of the Titan. The story is exactly the same as the sinking of the Titanic, but he wrote it 14 years before the Titanic sank. How could he have known?